Exercise 7.4. A beam of light of wavelength 600 nanometer from a distant source falls on a single slit 1 millimeter wide and the resulting diffraction pattern is observed on the screen 2 meter away. What is the distance between the first dark fringes on either side of the central bright fringe? Okay. Now what is the data given? Here the wavelength of the light is given. So lambda is equal to 600 nanometer. And the width of the slit is 1 millimeter. And the screen distance is 2 millimeter. Okay. Now we have to find it out. The distance between the dark fringes on either side of the central maximum. Now this is your central maximum. Now this is the first dark fringe on both the sides. This and this are. Now we have to find out this distance, that is capital Y, we have to find it out. Now we have to use that formula for equation for diffraction minimum. So equation for diffraction minimum, that is A sin theta is equal to n lambda. Here this is the first fringe. So n is equal to what? 1. So we can write A sin theta is equal to lambda. Okay. Now from this equation we can write sin theta is equal to, from the diagram, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. But here we can take only what? Tan theta. Okay. So we are going to approximate sin theta into tan theta. Okay. We are going to approximate sin theta into tan theta since theta is very, very small. So I am going to write sin theta is approximated as tan theta. So it is equal to y by d. So your sin theta is equal to what? Y by d. So A into y by d is equal to what? Lambda. So from this we can calculate small y, that is the distance between the central maximum and the first fringe on one side we can calculate small y. Small y is equal to lambda d by A. Okay. So what is the value of A? Lambda is equal to 600 nanometers. So 600 into 10 raised to minus 9 into d value is 2 meter. So 2 by, here it is 1 millimeter. So 1 into 10 raised to minus 3. So you will be getting here 6 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 10 raised to 3 into 2. So you will be getting 12 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Now we have to calculate the capital Y. We have to find out the distance between first dark fringe on either side. So we have to find out capital Y. So distance between first dark fringe on either side. So that is capital Y is equal to 2 times of what? Small y. So what will you get? Capital Y is equal to 2 into 12 into 10 raised to minus 4. So that is 24 into 10 raised to minus 4, which can be written as 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 3. So that is 2.3 millimeter. So capital Y value is 2.3 millimeter.